In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the PrestaShop backoffice using the demo version available online. If you're new to PrestaShop or you just want to experiment without making changes to your live store, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure it's as clear and simple as possible. To get started, open your web browser and go to demo.prestashop.com. On this page, PrestaShop offers a fully interactive demo that lets you explore the features and functionality of the platform without having to install anything on your server. Whether you're planning to use this demo version or you're considering a full version for your live site, the process remains consistent. Once you're on the demo site, you'll notice two main options: accessing the front office and accessing the back office. Today, we're interested in the back office, which is where all the administrative magic happens, like managing products, orders, and more. First, you'll need to log in, and here's an important tip. Make sure you're familiar with your credentials if you're logging into a full version, as the demo will generally provide access credentials automatically for you. After you've logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the option labeled Explore Back Office. Click on this button, which will transition you from the customer-facing part of PrestaShop into the administrative interface. The back office is where you'll manage your e-commerce site, including inventory, customer information, and a variety of other business-critical tasks. The next prompt you'll see is Log In. Proceed by clicking on it. In the demo version, this should directly take you to the back office dashboard without needing any additional login details because it's designed to bypass this step for ease of use. Patience is key here, as it might take a moment to load, depending on your internet connection. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the PrestaShop back office. Here, you'll be greeted with a dashboard overview, which includes all sorts of vital statistics and information about your online storefront. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Everything is organized in a user-friendly manner, allowing easy navigation through various sections such as catalog, orders, and modules, among others. Remember, the demo version is an excellent tool, not just for exploring, but also for testing and learning without any risk to an actual business environment. Feel free to explore and try different features to get a feel of how everything works. This will provide a valuable hands-on experience, preparing you for when you decide to move over to a full version. And there you have it. You're now in the PrestaShop back office on the demo version. Hopefully, this guide has made accessing it clear and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.